AstraZeneca signs Memorandum of Understanding with FVG. The biotech and pharmaceutical giant plans long-term strategic investment into the region, focusing on clinical studies and research.
C'è solo AstraZeneca, abbiamo già siglato un accordo con Novartis e mi auguro che ci saranno, e sono convinto sarà così, altre protagoniste nel mondo globale della farmaceutica che vogliono collaborare per il Friuli Venezia Giulia, insieme alla Friuli Venezia Giulia e nel nostro territorio.
I think the region is really characterized through many years of being a pioneer in innovation and trying to bring things forward, innovating in the areas of research, innovating also in the areas of how clinical practice is really implemented. And this is a value that we share and something that really attracts us to each other as a company on the one hand, a private entity with a region that is looking forward and trying to really make changes for the future, for the good of people and for the good of the region, of course, and for the good of the country in its entirety.